Okay, Carly, Savoy here. Here's what I'm looking for. Uh, I'm gonna give you a gist of what I'm looking for, and it's gonna go into your email. So, check me out. Basically, NC Fit has a better build better habits program, and it's a seminar today that I'm going to be a part of, and it improves nutrition, fitness, recovery, and sleep. Here's their like little flyer for it or whatever. Um, I think it's okay. You can do better, but with that being said, I'm starting a challenge for my clients, like just a mini challenge, no prize. But basically, I'm looking for a flyer that really says these three things. I'll put this in red. It's 6 week build better habits program. Post. So basically, what they're going to do, you're going to be invited to the Facebook group. You're supposed to post whole and unprocessed foods you've eaten 2 times a week. Post a sweaty selfie image 2 times a week, and then post your habit tracker 1 time a week. Right? That's what I'm looking for. I'm not now. Ideally, like I want people to eat more healthy food than 2 times a week and do a sweaty selfie more than 2 times a week. But I just want to keep them accountable. Something to keep them accountable is pretty cool. Something that they've also sent to me is this. They have sent me a posting calendar. So basically, for social media, when this starts, it's saying post a Facebook group. I'm sorry, take so when people have to post their whole and unprocessed food, you need to post that to the social media that basically says, hey, this is what Bridget's whole unprocessed food is for the week. Join our challenge. The next day is a fitness focus. If they're taking the sweaty selfie pics, right, you could post one of those, so on and so forth. Number 3, recovery focus. I can post a mindfulness tip. Like I'll give you an example. Breathing. Guys, breathing for 5 minutes does this, this, and this, right? Thursday is a sleep focus. Post on Facebook an AM and PM routine and how to set it. Very, very important. Friday, extra nutrition. Just another meal plan. I mean, I don't really need to do that. We do that. And then here we're just showing workouts. So Carly, I'm not saying that we have to do this. I'm just alerting you on like kind of what other people are doing. You asked me, well, really, I kind of mentioned it to you, just like changing the stream of things in like what people are looking for, considering that they're stuck in the house. These items would probably go in a top priority. Maybe if you get some time, just kind of brainstorm with me some ideas, and maybe we have some of that already. I will be getting some videos constructed with that, but I just wanted to kind of show you that. But again, for this flyer, this is kind of the 6 week challenge, build better habits. And I mean, my word was a 6 week build better habits program. I don't want the date on the flyer because I'm not sure when I want to launch it. I'll probably launch it next week. I'll take this week to probably inform clients about what's going on. Post whole and unprocessed foods 2 times a week. Literally, and you can change the wording, right? Maybe it just needs to say, post this to the Facebook group, or I mean, whatever the best wording is. So that's that. Uh, and Carly, I put this here. I'm not telling you to put this anywhere or do this. These are just some. I just put guidelines. Guidelines to for posting. And you don't need to do this. I'm just giving you this ideas. And the other thing I got, Carly, is well, first thing, is this flyer doable for you? Like this quick thing that says that? I mean, I'm not looking for anything crazy with a different background template you already have. And the second thing is 3 tips to stop to boost immune system. So Carly, do you want me to find these or do you got it? The purpose of this, Carly, I just want people to know that the 3 tips. So eat clean, work out, and get sleep. Maybe those are the 3 tips, right? And then the call to action is going to be, so call to action is, if you're in Indiana, come train. That gym is still open. If you're in E-Town, online training. So the 3 points got to kind of cater into that. But I just want to know, can you do this flyer? And then do you want me to give you these 3 points, or do you think you might have it? And I'm not looking for anything crazy, just general. Thank you.